Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the first ribbon cutting of 2023. We are in downtown Sanford, right on the Riverwalk. It's a beautiful day and a huge crowd. I don't think I've seen a turnout this big in a long time for a ribbon cutting. We are at Executive Cigar, and it is under new ownership with our good friend and board member, Joe Dalton. And we are just so excited for you and everything that you guys have here and the big turnout. We've got the city here, but welcome to your new endeavor.
Thank you, Rebecca. We're so excited to be here today. Thanks everyone for coming. What a great turnout. The place has been open for 3 years. I stepped in as a partner about 6 months ago. I've got two great partners who aren't here today, one in Melbourne, one in South Carolina, Tom Darnell and Erica Everett. I do want to give a shout out to my general manager, Jason Falkenberg. Where are you at, Jason?
I think he's at the register.
He's collecting the money. This place does not run without him, for sure. There he is. He's way in the back there. But as you can see, we're real proud of what we've done here. We're proud of the view. I've been in Sanford for a long time. I've been a member of the chamber with a number of businesses. It's the best chamber around by far. So I appreciate everybody coming out. I do want to introduce a couple of people. Very honored to have our mayor, Art Woodruff, here. Thank you, Art, always for everything you do for this city. And my good friend, Commissioner Patrick Austin, as well. Patrick, you want to say a couple of words primarily about me?
Well, I just want to say Tom and Erica have been great partners in the city and the community. We're happy that you're jumping on board. We're happy y'all are here. This is a gift on behalf of the commission and the city, our economic development group. We expect to see that hung here somewhere.
Absolutely.
And if you haven't been here, you're missing the best views, the best evenings, and the best cigars and beverages.
Thank you. All right. Patrick, you want to do the honors with me?
Sure.
And Rebecca? Oh, sure. Thanks.
Hey, Joe, he'll count 3, 2, 1. Cut on 1, please. And
Okay.
everybody look this way.
All right, we ready?
All right.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, thank you very much. Thanks, Nate.
We're showing around on the live stream if you want to come this way.
City ribbon cutting.
All right.
New business, yeah. Oh, good. So I'm switching.
So Executive Cigar is located just off the Riverwalk on West Seminole in Sanford. When you enter, you're greeted by a lovely bar. A lot of people don't know that Executive Cigar has a full bar. Once you walk through, they have checks and some nice lounge space. They also have a members only area, and it's hidden.
For the live stream.
That's ready now.
So our wonderful viewers can see the members only access to
Sure.
the speakeasy.
So this is our members only boardroom. They have 24-hour access in here through another door, which I'll show you. So come on in. Some of our members here.
Hi, members.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good. How are you guys?
Good. Very good, thank you.
So they have 24-hour access through this door. They have free beer and wine. They have their own lockers. They get some special privileges that our normal customers don't get.
Sure. So it sounds like they can come on down and become members.
Absolutely.
Cigar.
Yeah. Bring your I'm here chamber card.
Absolutely. Well, thank you everyone for joining us. We'll see you next time at another Seminole Chamber ribbon cutting.